Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are diving deep into the 4 key principles of object-oriented programming, also known as OOP, using Python. So, not only will I explain the theory, but I'll also walk you through simple code examples step by step. So, stay with me till the end. So, first and foremost thing, we'll understand that what is OOP. So before we get into the 4 principles, let's get a quick overview of what object-oriented programming actually is. So OOP is a way of structuring your Python code around objects and classes instead of just writing functions and logic scattered around. A class is like a blueprint. An object is an actual thing created from that blueprint, like a car created from a car factory. So the first core principle is encapsulation. So let's start with encapsulation. So this principle is all about restricting direct access to variables. It helps prevent accidental changes and keeps your code secure and organized. So let's understand this with an example. So here this is a very basic example of encapsulation which displays the salary of the employee. So here salary is a private variable. You can access it directly from outside the class. So instead we use the method showSalary to access it safely. That's encapsulation, protecting data by wrapping it inside the class. So this was a very basic and very simple example of encapsulation. So nextly, the second core principle is abstraction. So what abstraction actually means is hiding the complexity. This means hiding complex details and only exposing the essential parts. It means it will only expose the essential part and hide the rest of the part of the code. So let's start this with a basic example. So this is a very basic example of abstract method which gives the output as area of circle. So we don't care how the area is calculated internally. We just call dot area function, that's abstraction. So the shape class acts as a blueprint and the circle class implements the logic. So using abstract base classes like this helps you design clean and scalable code. So now the third one is inheritance, so which is also known as reusing code. So let's talk about inheritance, one of the most powerful features in OOPS. So it lets one class inherit the attributes and methods of another class. So let's see it with a very basic and simple example. So here dog inherits the speak method from the animal class and also defines its own method bark. So this reduces repetition and makes your code dry. Don't repeat yourself. So this animal makes a sound and the dog barks. So this is a very basic and simple example of inheritance. And now the fourth core concept is polymorphism. So polymorphism means many forms. So in OOPS, polymorphism allows us to use same method name for different types of objects. So now we'll see this with a very basic and simple example. So here both bird and airplane have a fly method, but they behave differently. So the lift off function works with both objects. That's the beauty of polymorphism, that it contains many forms. So as it gives the output that bird is flying and airplane is flying. So this was very basic simple example of polymorphism. So let's recap all the 4 core concepts of OOPS. First is encapsulation, which is hiding internal data and allowing controlled access, and the second one is abstraction, which is showing only necessary features and hiding details, and the third is inheritance, which is reusing code by creating child classes from parent classes, and the fourth one is polymorphism, which is using the same method name for different objects. So, OOP is ideal when your application needs structure, like in web pages, games, simulations, or system with many interacting parts. It helps in managing complexity and keeping code organized. So, if this video helped you understand OOPS better, go ahead and like this video, subscribe. So that's it for today's video. So thanks for watching this video.